Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Trust Stanley and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to get verified on Threads. Now, I'm actually going to be explaining the issue or why you have verified users on Threads. Let's get to it. So if you are making use of Threads and you just installed it, maybe if you installed it in the earlier time of launch when they just launched it and it's actually launched within 24 hours. You'll notice that so many people are already verified, even though they don't have enough subscribers to actually get them verified. Now, the issue is this, or the reason is this. If you're already verified on Instagram, automatically your thread is going to be verified because there is no way or there is no information about verification currently on thread. Since the user or thread doesn't actually have a manual sign up where you sign up separately from threads, but instead you actually sign up with your Instagram account. So it's more like importing your information from Instagram. So every account that is already verified on Instagram gets verified on Threads. But the difference is that they are going to have different follower base. So although their friends are also going to be recommended to follow them, but they are going to get different follower base. Now, this is my Instagram and I'm not yet verified. And I have 900 followers here, but I only have 6 followers here. These are just my new followers and I just joined Threads today. So this is actually how Threads work and I hope you understand that. Threads doesn't have any followers option or any rules to get followers and to get verified. So that means Thread is actually picking information from your Instagram. So thank you for watching. I hope it's helpful. Please stay safe and peace.